Did you know we have Fitbits for cows? And we actually have Fitbits for cows. Collars which can go on our cattle, which are like medical tricorders for cows, which can read the health of the animal. And we are actually flying drone technology over our herd, tens of thousands of square miles, to read that information from every single animal so we can get a global heat map of the health of our herd. And I actually talked to one rancher who said that, look, my wife and I are getting a lot better sleep these days because we are now at the point, years ago, we might have to, be out in the field at night in the rain, in the muck, waiting for an animal to begin giving birth. He said, I will now get a text message on my phone when an animal begins calving with the exact GPS locations of where I need to drive. And I'm getting a lot better sleep at night because I don't have to be out in the field in the cold and the muck. The fact that we have Fitbits for cows is staggering, but do you know what the limiting factor is here? Drone technology. Because what we're doing is we're flying drones over our herd. And a typical drone, in the utility sector has a limiting factor in terms of time. The limiting factor is battery sophistication and weight. So the holy grail right now in battery science, which is at the heart of so much what we are doing with the architecture of the energy system, is happening with drones. Because the holy grail is how do we keep them in the air longer and how do we make them lighter? And I found this fascinating article where this fellow was talking about battery technology in the context of drones, and he was talking about 13 different types of battery technologies beyond lithium ion and the rapid acceleration of the science of battery technology to achieve that holy grail. And what we accomplish with drone technology will bleed into the grid, will bleed into a re-architected grid, it will bleed into electric vehicles, and it will bleed into so many other industries. You look at the trend line, you look at the cost curve, you look at what is happening with the collapse and the range issues which we are achieving through battery longevity. So I wrote this blog post a couple of months ago that said, remember The Graduate? Remember the movie where he's talking to the young Dustin Hoffman, and I've got one word for you about the future, plastics? And I think there's a growing realization because we've got Fitbits for cows being read by drones flying overhead to assess the health of our herd. And that's where the acceleration of the science of batteries is occurring. The future of just about everything is all about batteries.